Welcome to Cinematic Map Animations and After Effects, where you will learn to create beautiful 3D animated map scenes that look like they came straight out of a movie. This class is for motion designers, video editors, and creative pros who want to add animated maps to their content, without spending hours figuring it out. If After Effects has ever felt too complicated, this class makes it simple. You'll learn how to source and prep your map image, draw clean travel paths, build pulsing markers and pins, and animate a 3D camera to fly through your scene, all using After Effects. By the end, you'll have a fully animated map scene, ready to use in videos, social content, or client work. I've also included practice files in the downloadable resource to make the process even easier. I recommend watching videos in order because every lesson builds onto the previous one. You can control the volume and the playback speed of every video to learn at your own pace. If you get stuck or have any questions, be sure to drop them in the Q&A section below. Just make sure to check the existing questions first, because there's a good chance that the question you want to ask has already been answered in detail. At some point, you'll be asked to leave a review. Please wait until you've had a chance to really experience the material. Your honest feedback helps me improve the course and better serve you and future students. Thanks again for joining this class. I'm genuinely excited to help create stunning cinematic map animations and to give you the confidence to use them on real projects, whether personal or clients-based. Let's jump into the first lesson.